Welcome back, guys. Twan's Wildlife. I'm here at Kensington Park looking for Sandhill cranes, and I don't know if you can see them real quick, but there's one right there and one pretty close, about right there. Try to get some footage, get a little closer. Their diet consists of mostly plants and grains, but also dying on invertebrates or even small mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. So yeah, here it is. Looks like it's getting ready to move. So let me get out the way so it's getting agitated, looks like. Thank you for watching. This is it for this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. If you have